Children, today we are going to solve the word problems in exercise 3.6. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. Question number 1. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So what is the meaning for downstream? When the direction of the moving boat and direction of the stream is same, then the boat is moving downstream. When the direction of the moving boat and the direction of the stream is opposite, then the boat is moving upstream. What is the meaning for still water? Still water is nothing but when there is neither tide nor current in the water. So now solution, let us assume the speed of Ritu in still water be x km per hour, speed of the current be y km per hour. Now upstream means speed upstream is the boat is moving upward direction and the stream is in the downward direction, it is opposite. When it is opposite, it is upstream. So it is always x minus y km per hour. Speed will be x minus y km per hour. Downstream means both are traveling in the same direction. Here, when it is upstream, the speed of the boat will be very less than the speed of the stream. But when it is downstream, the speed of the boat will increase than the speed of the stream. So, x downstream is always x plus y km per hour. This you should remember always. Upstream is x minus y km per hour and downstream is x plus y km per hour. Now, you know distance is speed into time. The distance is 20 km in 2 hours. So, 20 is equal to speed. First one is downstream. Downstream is x plus y into 2. So, now I have changed the places for both. Exchange the places. So, 2 into x plus y is equal to 20. X plus y is equal to 20 by 2. X plus y equal to 10. I can write this like this also. Speed is equal to distance by time. X plus y is equal to 20 by 2. X plus y equal to 10. This will be more easier. Next. Case 2, it is traveling 4 km in 2 hours upstream. Upstream is x minus y. So, 2 into x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4 by 2. X minus y is equal to 2. Now, here we can write x minus y is equal to 4 by 2. Speed is equal to distance by time also, and this will be x minus y is equal to 2. Now, we have got x plus y equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 2. So, elimination method will be more easier. Here, y has different signs. So, when you add, it gets eliminated. So, 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 2, x is equal to 6. Next, substitute x is equal to 6 in equation 1 or 2, any one equation. X plus y equal to 10, 6 plus y equal to 10, y is equal to 10 minus 6, y is equal to 4. Now, we got speed of Ritu in still water is equal to 6 km per hour and speed of the current is 4 km per hour. The next question is, 2 women and 5 men together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone and finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So we have to find what is the time taken by one woman and one man. Now let us assume the time taken by one woman be x days. Time is mentioned as days and the time taken by one man to be y days. You know, one work to be done, one work we should take it as one whole, one. So, 1 day work done by the woman will be 1 by x. 1 is nothing but the work done. The whole work is taken as 1. So, x days. So, x 1 by x. 1 day work done by the man will be 1 by y. So, now we have 2 women and 5 men. So, if 1 day work of the woman is 1 by x, so 2 women will be 2 by x and 5 men will be 5 by y. And the total days taken by both together is 4 days. So, 4 into 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1. 1 is nothing but the work done. The whole work is taken as 1. Now, open the bracket, 4 2s are 8, 8 by x plus 20 by y is equal to 1. Take this as first equation. The next is 3 women and 6 men. So, they can finish in 3 days. So, 3 into 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1. Now, when you open the bracket, you get 9 by x plus 18 by y is equal to 1. Take this as second equation. Now, you know this is not in the linear form. The x, it is like a fraction. it is not in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So here we use the reducible method where we have done previously. We assume 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. From 1 and 2, when you substitute 1 by x as a and 1 by y to be b, we get 8a plus 20b is equal to 1, 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. So now this is third and fourth equation. Now by cross multiplication method, the other method will be little bit difficult elimination. I am using cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method, we get 8, we should write in the form 8a plus 20b minus 1 equal to 0. 9a plus 18b minus 1 is equal to 0. This is third and fourth equation. Now here instead of x, y, we get a, b. So I have written a, b, 1. And you know how to write. First you will write 20, 18, minus 1, then 8, 9, 20, 18. I have to cross multiply as I have done. Put the arrow marks. So when I do this, hope you know how to multiply. 20 into minus 1 is minus 20, minus of 18 into minus 1 is minus 18. Same way is equal to b by and 1 by. So when you do this, you are getting a by minus 20 plus 18 is equal to b by minus 9 plus 18. Now minus 9 plus 8 is equal to 1 by 144 minus 180. Now a by minus 2, minus 20 plus 18 is minus 2 is equal to b by minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 36. Now after this we have to equate it. First term, that is a by minus 2 should be equated with a constant term, and the second b by minus 1 should be equated with 1 by minus 36. So a by minus 2 is equal to 1 by minus 36. So here we have to find the, now see here a is equal to minus 2 by minus 36. So a is equal to, we got 1 by 18. Next b is equal to minus 1, b by minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 36. b is equal to 1 by 36. Now here we know very well we have taken 1 by x as a. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18. Take the reciprocal, so x is equal to 18. Here 1 by y is equal to b. We have assumed as 1 by y is equal to b. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. Y is equal to 36, reciprocal. So time taken by one woman is 18 days, and the time taken by one man alone is 36 days.